Hi, this is your instructor Eric. Welcome to Week 1, Assignment 3, Connect Activity 1. This assignment's a capstone project. In this assignment, you'll be expanding your personal CIS glossary by 10 terms a week. 5 terms are due after each reading assignment, which is an absorb activity. These 5 glossary terms are 100% your choice. But you should pick glossary terms or items that are new to you this semester, either in your readings, assignments, or just your own personal exploration of Windows 10. It'll make the assignment much easier for you. One of the student learning objectives is to learn how to use presentation programs and software, so you'll be using Microsoft PowerPoint for this project. Each term should have its own slide in your presentation, and I've loaded an example under Files. If you look under the Joe Student Glossary CIS PowerPoint, you can take a look at what I expect from you in your slides. Now at the end of the semester, you're going to have a personal CIS glossary that you can present to your online class. This is your capstone project. These final projects will be posted in discussions under capstone project at the end of the semester, but I won't open up the discussion board until about a week before the project's due. When I do, you will receive an email notification. But for now, the important things about this assignment are you need 5 terms and a definition, 1 point for each term and definition, and then 5 graphic images for each term. So if you look at the example, I use Cortana as an example, and then I also used a call out to label Cortana so that it's easy to visually recognize what Cortana is in that picture. Additionally, your first slide, each time you submit this assignment, should be a slide that includes basic information. So it's going to have your name, it's going to have your student ID, and it's also going to have the course number CIS 101. Now this title slide can and should be reused for each submission. So you'll be making 2 submissions a week, and with each submission you'll be submitting 6 slides. Now 5 of those slides will be new each time. There'll be 5 new terms that you've decided on, and then you've created slides for. It's not something that you need to create more than once, the title slide, so you create that and then you can just add on your terms and your images with each consecutive slide. So each time you submit, again, you'll be submitting 6 slides. One is that title slide, but you'll be reusing that title slide every week. And then for your final presentation, you'll only have to use it once as the beginning of your title slide. Hopefully that covers it. I'm now going to show you an example of how to build this to make it easy for you. So let's get started. I'm going to open PowerPoint. I've already got my slide set here. I'm going to type in my name, the course, and the name of the project. Now keep in mind that this glossary is a type of job aid. This is something that you're developing for yourself in your future occupation or in your future educational endeavors. I'm also going to put my student number here. Let's get started. I'll add a new slide. And here, I'll add my first definition. Well, there's a misspelling there. We'll fix that. And for Cortana, I think I'm going to take a snapped image using the snipping tool. Now I've got an image using the snipping tool that I can paste into my slide. I'll paste the picture, and I want it to be a little bit bigger. Well, that might not work out. I guess I could put it on one side here. Now with Cortana, I'm going to put my own definition here. I'm going to size this box up so that it works a little bit better. Now I have two of my components here. I've got my definition, or I've got my term, Cortana. Here I've got my definition in my own words, and then I have an image. It's very basic and simple. You might want to add a few things to add some frills to this, but it's not required to get full credit for this one slide. Now you just have to do it 4 more times, and make sure that each slide submission has 6 slides with your title slide and your 5 terms after that. Hope you have fun doing this project. It'll be a capstone for the end of the class. That means that it'll be something that you'll be using in your future. Enjoy.